Now, many persons have been asking the question, do you need an expensive camera to record and shoot video for your YouTube channel? Well, all you need is your smartphone. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to record and film video on your smartphone so it looks perfectly fine, like this right here that I'm recording. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm gonna go through some tips and tricks of how to record on your iPhone so that it have the best quality for your viewing experience. Now basically in this video that I'm shooting right now, I'm recording on my iPhone 7. So you see the quality of this that I'm recording, so I'm gonna show you exactly how you can achieve that. So let's get straight into the video. Now Miss Javoy, a friend of mine, did a similar video to this one where she reviewed the iPhone 7 versus the Samsung 8 Plus. So if you want to know which of those camera quality is better when recording a video, you should definitely go check out this video after you finish this one. So basically I will link her channel in my description below where you can check out that video. Now the first thing that you need to do before recording your videos is to get your gears and equipment ready. When I'm talking about gears and equipment, I'm talking about your lighting, I'm talking about your tripod, I'm talking about your equipment that you are going to be shooting your videos with. So basically you can use different equipment or you can improvise when you don't have certain equipment. So you might want to have a tripod, or if you don't have a tripod, you might want to invest in a tripod in the future so you can get your phone steady where you can get those properly shot. But if you don't have a tripod, what you can do is use some books to put your phone on, because that basically, when I first started out, I put my phone on some books where I can also record my videos. Now the next important thing that you want to consider when shooting your videos is basically the lighting, which is a key factor in getting your shots clearly and look picture perfect. So you have to get your lighting perfectly. Now what you can do is, I see most persons using like those ring lights. Yeah, those are good qualities. I will link some also in the description where you guys can actually look at and purchase. And basically if you don't have the money to purchase those ring lights, what you can also do is to improvise and use some things that are around your home. You can probably use like your lamp. You can use like some bedside light, and those little light you can also use to record your video. So if you don't have the money to buy all those expensive things, you can also use things that are around the home, right? So basically you have to improvise and get the best quality on your video. Now if you don't have any form of light at all around your home, what you can do is to take advantage of the natural lighting. So basically try to record your video in the daytime where the light is brighter, where it can give you that beautiful look. I'm gonna show you guys how do I use my natural lighting in my video. So basically in this video I'm not using any form of lighting. All of my light is coming from right here from this window. So basically in my video I'm using a natural lighting coming from here in my window. So this is basically me in the natural lighting and in the sunlight using the front facing camera. Shut up Rex. Alright, so basically this is me using the front facing camera in the sunlight. You can realize that sunlight is glazing on my face right now. So basically this camera is pretty good when you're actually in the natural lighting. Alright, so the next important thing to consider when you're filming on your camera is basically to lock in the contrast. So basically I'm going to tap on the screen where I want it to focus. So I'm going to have it focused right there, and I'm going to lock it by holding down on it. So there it is locked, the AE and AF is locked. Now what you can do is to adjust it by going down to reduce the lighting, or go up to increase the lighting. So anywhere, so when you move your screen around, lighting remain the same, or if the light get brighter, it will not affect your videos, because most time when I'm watching videos you see where the contrast might increase or decrease. So this way it lock it to have it at one level. So you focus where on the screen you want it to be and lock it. The once it is locked, even if the sun get brighter, it will still remain in that contrast. Now I'm going to show you now without the lock. So basically it's right there. You're gonna see that it will fluctuate. So now basically it's an auto. So you realize that it is fluctuating. So to have the best quality of videos, you have to ensure that your lighting is pitched perfect. Yeah, I like the way that sound. Pitched perfect. Yeah, make sure it pitched perfect so and it look attractive where people can actually proceed and watching your videos. Alright, now I have already give you the tips about your environment and the type of lighting, your tripod and those things. Now I'm going to talk about the phone itself, your device that you're going to be used to record your video. Now in this video I'm using an iPhone 7. So basically I'm going to show you the correct setting that you should use to get the best quality on each of your videos. So if you have an Android phone or an iPhone, these settings are gonna help you to get the best quality as you possibly can whenever you're recording your videos. Now basically what you can do is to go to settings, and when you go to settings you can go on camera. Now when you're on camera you can change some little few things inside the camera. Now what you can also change is how you wish to film your videos. Now basically you have different options. You can film your videos in 1080p at 30 frames or 1080p at 60 frames, and also you can film your video in 4K quality. Now this video that I'm filming right now is in 4K quality. I always try to film my video in the highest quality. So what you can do is go ahead and change your video settings to 4K. Now when you record your video in 4K quality, what most of the time it normally takes up more memory. Now what you can do when you're editing your video, you can also choose to render your video in 1080p, and depends on where and the type of quality that you're looking for in your videos. So most time I personally render my video in 1080p because I may not want a 4K quality video which is gonna take up more memory to upload to YouTube. But if your choice and you're willing to spend the time to upload those 4K quality videos, that's your choice. Now next thing I want to talk about is the quality of the back camera versus the front camera. Now the quality on the front camera is 7 megapixel and the quality on the back camera is 12 megapixel. So most time you realize that if you use the rear camera, which is the back camera, you will get a higher quality when you're filming your videos. Now I'm using the back camera to film this video as I speak. Now I'm going to flip the camera to show you guys, just to give you an idea of how the front camera looks when you're filming on the front camera versus when I'm filming on the back camera. Yes guys, now I'm filming on the front camera, so you can basically see where the camera quality is kind of bit different when I'm filming on the front camera versus the back camera. The back camera have a little bit more quality, so I'm always advising you that always use your back camera. Yes, so I'm still in the front camera. So whenever you're filming your video, right, ensure that you clean your lens. Make sure your lens is well clean where you can have that beautiful look when you're recording your videos. So basically you have to find some soft cloth or anything like that to clean your lens, so it have that, so it don't have any little moisture on the screen, which can also give you a little blurry look. So you have to clean your lens. Now the mistake that most person make when they're filming their video in the front camera, they tend to look at themselves in the camera, which gonna shows on YouTube basically that you're looking at yourself. So basically when you're filming your video, you have to look at the lens. So you have to look directly at the lens, so you're making eye contact with your viewers. So I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to look at myself and you're going to see the difference. So basically here, see there, I'm recording and I'm looking at myself on the screen. So basically right there, you see that I'm not making any connection at all with my viewers. So I'm totally disconnecting and looking at myself on the screen. I'm looking at the lens now and you see I'm making a connection with you guys where I'm making a commanding, so it's more effective that way when you're recording your videos. Now I'm going to flip back now to my rear camera, my back camera, so I can give you guys more tips. Now basically when you're in this position, it's kind of a bit awkward because you're not seeing yourself on the screen. But basically what you can do is to give it a test run where you can record yourself at first and go ahead and play it over to see if everything is intact on your screen. So basically what I normally do is to record myself first talking to give it a test run to see if everything is basically perfect, and I go and record. Now what you can do when you're using the back camera, what I personally did is to use a mirror behind the camera. So basically I'm seeing myself when I'm recording on my mobile phone. So I'm seeing myself on the camera, but I'm not looking exactly on the camera, but I'm looking to see that I'm in the perfect frames that I want to be in. So basically sometimes I may in the third of frames, I might in the center, or sometimes I'm in the left third right here. So basically it depends on your filming style and how you want to film your videos. Now if you guys have been getting value out of this video, please hit the like button, because it takes a lot for me to create this video for you guys can have that experience. So just click like button if you are getting value from this video. Now once you have get your phone ready, your equipments ready, and all those things, all you need to do is to film your videos. Now what I basically do when I'm filming my video, I make sure that I have my content ready so I can film my videos. You don't want to set up your camera and all those things and you're not sure of what you're going to be filming. So you want to make sure that you have your content ready so you know exactly what you're going to be filming, so you don't go out here and just mumble off and by saying some things that you don't want to say. So you don't want to come here on the camera and like stare and say, what am I going to film again? Right? So you have to have it everything set down, so you have your content ready, so you know exactly what you're going to be filming. What I basically did is to have all of my notes on my book pad right here, where I write down in pointers where I actually know the things that I'm going to be talking about. Right? So I have most of my information there, so I just don't come in here and just chatting gibberish and don't know what I'm going to be talking about. Don't feel bad if you are recording your videos and stumble a few times upon some word, right? So basically happen to most of us YouTubers or video content creators. We all stumble upon some words and when you're making our contents. So what you must do is to basically just brush yourself off and start recording again, right? So that's where you can produce those awesome content. Question of the day: which device do you use to film your video? Let me know in the comment section down below which device you use to film your YouTube videos. Guys, so you don't have to have an expensive gadgets or camera to record your videos. All you need is your mobile device where you can record your videos. But if you wish to increase or upgrade in the future, I will also put a link in some camera gears that I recommend that you should be using when you're filming your video, if you wish to upgrade in the future. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it if you guys can subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I see you in the next one. Peace out.